Kasi ito niya, para marinig ng mga parents ninyo, yung mga relatives, and your sponsors. Okay, this is the exception to the rule, no? Ulitin natin. Okay. So, once again, all together, can you repeat these words after me? We, kindly state your names, do solemnly declare that we hold this marriage to be a lifelong union, husband and wife. We believe it is for the purpose of mutual fellowship, encouragement, and understanding, and for the procreation of children and their spiritual and physical nurture. And to all the brides, kindly repeat these words after me. Kindly state the name of your groom. Iksahin niyo ba siya? Ulitin natin. One more time. Okay. Kindly state the name of your groom. I take you as you are, loving who you are. I promise from this day forward to be grateful for our love and our life, to be generous with my time, my energy, and my affection, to be patient with you and with myself, fill our life with adventure and our home with laughter, to inspire you to grow as an individual, to love you completely. These things I pledge to you for as long as we both shall live. Okay, and to our groom, ready? Kindly state the name of your bride. I take you as you are, loving who you are. I promise from this day forward to be grateful for our love and our life, to be generous with my time, my energy, and my affection, to be patient with you and with myself, to fill our life with adventure and our home with laughter, to inspire you to grow as an individual, to love you completely. These things I pledge to you for as long as we both shall live. Very good. Okay, kindly take out your rings, please. Hawakan niyo yung mga sisig ninyo. Yung mga group ay mga group, hawakan niyo yung sisig ng bride. Ganon din yung mga bride, hawakan yung sisig ng embrace your rings. Gusto ko makita yung mga rings ninyo. Your wedding rings are a symbol of your love for one another. And if you look at your rings, can you look at your rings? These are shaped, some broken, and can be shirt. And it only reflects your love, your commitment, your promises, and your vows to each other. So, to our groom, I will repeat these words after me. Hawakan niyo yung daliri ng inyong mga bride, and repeat these words after me. Kindly state the name of your bride. I give you this ring as a symbol of my vow with all that I am and with all that I am. I honor you and I love you. So, and to our bride, Very good. So we are about to conclude this marriage, but before that, what we're going to do is we're going to ask our couples, please say a few words to each other. Yung inyong mga vows, babanggitin nyo. Pero bago nyo gagawin yan, lahat ng mga parents, yung mga sponsors, relatives, please, lapitan nyo lang yung inyong mga respective couple. Please, kayo lapitan nyo. Pakinggan po ninyo yung sasabihin nila. Lapitan po nyo. Lapit lang po kayo. Hindi ko kayo mabuti. Pwede nyo rin i-record yung sasabihin nila. So, ang magsasalita po ang unang magsasalita yung ating bride, pagkatapos sunod yung groom. Ang magsasalita po yung bride at yung groom lang. Hindi ho magsasalita yung mga in-laws, yung mother-in-law, hindi ho kayo magsasalita. Okay? So, for the bride, we're going to give you around 3 minutes para sabihin nyo kung ano yung mga gusto nyo sabihin in your own language, in your own dialect. So, the time starts now.